Found 2 passion fruits on the ground. These are ripe ones, but they're not super ripe how I like them yet. They're not super wrinkly. That's how you know you got a good one. But check it out, all these over here. Got some that are almost ripe, about to fall. All over right here. And it's climbing. It's climbing. Over here on this fence we got morning glory. And here we got passion fruit. This comes up on this kind of trellis system whole way. And then over here, Pops is starting another vine to go here, just in case we don't want the passion fruit to go that far. So you can see passion fruit is kind of combined with morning glory at the top there. That's the neighbors, but it goes all the way there on that fence, comes down this fence, and it's on both sides. It's just one plant too. The trunk is all the way over there. Check it. Huge already. Well, not giant compared to some of the ones I've seen, but it's already like 3-4 inches thick.